Right guys, it's Ed Shed, in the shed, working away, and doing something that I hate. I hate more than anything else in the whole world. Fortunately I've got some assistance that doesn't mind doing body work. And so we've started what's only known as a fill-a-thon. Now we are discovering a few problems in that fill-a-thon. We're having a few issues. Main things are we're sort of cutting things through where we're trying to make gaps and whatever, and tighten the gaps up, and we're actually sort of cut through the door skin, so I've had a bit of an issue there. But basically, as you start to see, we got this welded. I've still got a problem at the back. I'm getting down here. We're getting that done. We're getting that out. If you look down that wing was absolutely horrendous, and it's still like horrendous, but it's looking a lot less horrendous than it did. So coming along this way, we're getting good here. We get here. Trim panels I've been refurbing, just in my spare time. We've come around the back here. We've done some more welding, grinding, more filling and more leading. And we've also come in around the back here, around this one. We've done more filling, more grinding and more leading. We still have an issue, obviously, on the roof, which I can't show you, because it's just horrendous. But I've been making some plates up to patch it. This is how it's about to get the shape. We're just trying to get the best shape we can. We're never going to get it perfect, but we're going to get it as damn good as we can until we run out of filler, basically. So that's what we've done there. I leaded that hole up, and I've obviously had a bit of filler in there just to smooth over. We've got this bit here. This has got to come down. We're not going. We might tighten that gap up. We don't know yet. We haven't decided. Then we're along this wing and round the front, and then we are pretty much there. But I think you noticed what was missing, didn't you, as you came past? What did you notice was missing? This was missing. This. Now, guys, for all you people who are dedicated enthusiasts of E-types, these brackets are what holds the inner door handle on. Now, they're great. And they go sort of in there like that. And they're great if they weren't completely rotted away. And getting them out now is turning into a bit of an ordeal. I've only got one, and I want to save it for another car. So I'm going to try and just do something there. Haven't decided what. But we've had to do a bit of bending because this seems to have all gone in. And then we've also got an issue here at the front. We had a real problem on the front edge. And as you can see, it's still got a few issues on the front edge. Simple reason is this is off a near side door, turned round and put onto the driver's side. So this has been bent round because I didn't have one, and I didn't have the energy to try to make one. So that was done about, I don't know, 3 years ago. So it's holding up pretty well. We're just going to put a bit of filler in there, some rust clearing up, the job's good. Got to drill the holes in the bottom of the door for the frames, because the frames adjust, as you can see, look. So by moving that from side to side, you can alter the angle of your door frame. See it moving? But they're on a slider bracket, which is like an L-shaped bracket, which I've already made. They're over there, but I've got to drill them and put them in. I've got some drain holes in the bottom of the door, because I think that's why the doors rot out, because there's no drain holes, or they don't drain very well from the holes they put in. But other than that, look, just come back over here and just look at that sheer beauty. Stood there. She's coming on. Oh, that is obviously the heater box, which has been, oh well, that's been repaired. Once we get that in, we're going to try and get her down. And then once we get down the wheels, we're going to try and sort out the rest of that bit of the roof welding that needs doing on that back edge. Because I really am struggling with that. I don't like it. But I think on the whole, I don't know whether any people are going to agree with this, but on the whole, we're going to stone chip inside here and drill drain holes. I'm going to stone chip under the bumper. I'm going to white stone chip it all down the sills and round it under the boot floor. And then we're going to paint it white. We don't know whether we're going to spray it white or whether we're just going to leave it in white 2-pack primer. For the minute, I don't know. There's a bit of contention about it with something else that I'm not happy with. I'm not allowed to speak about, but it'll come out there, it'll come out in the wash. And as I said before, trim's coming on nicely. Your door's a little bit of that. And I'm a wheel short. I've got a wheel problem. This is something you guys should always check on your little E-types, because what happens is you don't notice it, but all of a sudden when you clean your white wheels, you find you've got a broken spoke. And this wheel's got a broken spoke, but I can't find it at the moment. It has actually there, that one. That spoke, look. That is why 50-year-old wire wheels aren't worth refurbishing. So that was the only one though, so that is going to be used as a spare, so it won't be a problem. Anyway guys, so I don't know whether you can see in the dashboard, we're wiring. We don't want to give too much away on our thing there, because it's not what we all think it is. But that door is coming, going to be sorted out in a minute. Do this door. We got that done. We've retrimmed the dash to match. And hopefully if she gets up, we're going to do the controls. So what I'd like to say, guys, is all the people who have subscribed, thanks to the 400 people that are now subscribing. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope basically that you can enjoy this. I know E-Types aren't that popular car, and I do believe that there's a few hardcore people who like them, people who don't. I obviously like them, but I don't know whether other people enjoy them quite as much as me. So what I'm going to say is we are going to try and get on to something more a bit different, and we're going to do some more different stuff. Mainly because we get asked about lots of other cars, and why haven't you done this, or why don't you show that? So we are going to sort of have a re-evaluation. Once this thing is, nearly swore, once this is done, and this is down running and driving, we can get it into primer so it can go out of this shed, and we can just gradually sort it out, put the trim, whatever. We haven't got very long to do it, I might add. So we're going to possibly have a go at something else, something maybe that either might appeal to the younger viewers, or something that might appeal to older viewers. Either way, we will be appealing to somebody. So if you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and follow me about and press the alarm button for an alert. Talk to you soon.